Is it just me, or does summer styling always feel like a trap? You want to look effortlessly chic, but it's a million degrees outside, you're sweating and beet red, and all you want to do is wear drapey dresses. And don't even get me started on the freezing air-conditioned buildings. I look in my closet, I see a ton of clothes, and yet I'm always end up in the same 2 pairs of denim shorts and giant oversized shirt. Well, today I'm putting my closet to the test. Welcome to day 1 of my 30-day summer style challenge. For the next 30 days, I'm challenging myself to wear a completely different outfit every day. No repeating looks, no hiding in my comfort zone. And the best part, I want you guys to do the challenge with me. Rule number 1, no exact outfit repeats. I can reuse individual pieces like my favorite jeans, but the styling of the top and the shoes and the overall vibe have to be completely different. Rule number 2 is keep it real. I have to actually wear these outfits out in the real world. Whether I'm running errands, doing the school run, or going to work, the outfit has to fit my real life. Over the next month, I'm going to be documenting this entire journey on Shorts, showing you the hits, the misses, and how I brainstorm outfits even when I have zero motivation left. But like I said, I don't want to just do this on my own. I'm challenging you to do this with me. You don't have to do the full 30 days. Even a 7-day style challenge will completely change how you view your wardrobe. If you want to join in, pick your start date and use the hashtag #PoppedClosetStyleChallenge so I can see all of your outfits. I want you guys to jump into the comments right now and tell me what summer staples you want to see me try to style over the next month. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my daily check-ins and the final 30-day lookbook reveal. Wish me luck, because my bedroom floor is about to become a disaster zone. Thanks for popping in.